Hey everybody, today we're going to be drawing a crocodile. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings will turn out at the very end. So we'll start by doing the outline with a marker or a pencil or something. You can use whatever you want, and then we'll go in and colour it with textures or pencils afterwards. Remember, you can use crayons, pencils, textures, anything you want. Paint, doesn't matter, just have fun. Alright, so let's go get started. So we'll start with our crocodile's eyes. I'm going to make mine look a little cartoony today. You can make yours look however you want. You don't have to copy mine exactly. Just do it however you like to. So I'll start with the eyes. So we'll come here, kind of like a big kind of shape. Don't finish it, kind of like a C shape, like a cut for cat shape. Then come here. Second one, this time fill in the gap. There, that's his eyes. That's pretty good. Now, we can draw the rest of the body. So come here, under the eye. We'll start with the top of the head now. And we'll just come along fairly straight. And then we can curve it up. A big sweeping shape, that'll be his nose. And then just come down a little bit. This is just the top of the mouth, so we'll come back a little way, up here, curve it up at the back, and then you can put a little shape like that on the end. Now we'll finish the mouth. So underneath here, if we come back here, so kind of down, and then just curve it out a little bit. There we go. Bring it back to roughly where you ended the mouth up here. So roughly in line with that. Alright, so now we'll do the back. Kind of curves up, and then we'll finish the tail around here somewhere. So come to the back of the eyes, maybe just up a little, see how that's curving up. Around here. And then we'll just finish curving up for his back. And then curve down a little bit, and then finish with the tail maybe curving up. I'll just do up. You can do however you like. There we go. So that's his curvy big back. That's looking great. What we can do, I reckon, we could draw the legs now. So, come here. They've kind of got claws on their feet, kind of like a little clawed foot. So we'll come like this. There. And then I might just do a little leg there. Come over this side, another little leg. And remember, guys, you can pause the video whenever you need so that you don't rush. Just take your time. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw your drawing however you like. So then we'll come down. Just like his little clawed feet there. See, it's a bit like a webbed foot in a way. So his first foot, we'll just do this little line. There we go. So that's his first foot. Alright, I might draw the tail now. So, start at the back. It's quite pointy. And then we'll just do a big curve down, 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 down. Maybe curve it back up a little bit. So that's his tail. We can now draw the second leg. So his next back leg. I can come up around here. Big curvy shape. That's like his kind of his like curve on his leg, and then curve it in, and then we'll come down to the foot. So like the front, you can do it a bit webbed, a bit like clawed and curvy. So I might go just like this. More claws, very sharp claws. You wouldn't want to get hit by these. It'd hurt a lot. So then we'll curve it around here. Just up. And then you can just bring it up a bit however you like. There we go. So that's his back leg. Now we might connect the front to the back here. So his belly. Now let's come just here. Kind of curve it up. Whoa, very curvy. Must be a very fat crocodile. Been eating too much. Now let's draw the eyes. So come up to the front. You can draw yours however you like. I'm going to put mine kind of here in the middle, I reckon. Just a circle in each one. There we go. And then inside that circle, you can do another circle. There. And there. That's looking pretty cool, I reckon. So crocodiles are fairly fierce animals. So there are two things we've got to do now. First, get your marker or your pencil, and we're going to draw spikes along the back and down the tail there because they're very fierce. Second is do your fiercest impression of a crocodile. Ready? Watch this. How was that? I reckon it was good. Okay, so now we'll draw spikes along his back. So come probably just behind the eyes here and sort of just like a big triangle shape. 1, 2, just keep going all the way down the back and then onto the tail. This is what crocodiles in real life have. I don't know why, but makes them look a lot more fierce, doesn't it? And then probably a little small one just on the end here. There we go. Now we'll draw his teeth. This will help him look even more fierce and scary as well. So just like these triangle shapes down, big sharp teeth. You can do them different sizes as well. See, mine aren't perfect. Some small ones, some big ones, all very big tooth there. Yeah, just a couple of teeth, little triangle shapes. There we go. Next we'll draw sort of under his belly area. So mine has a very fat belly, so this section might be a bit bigger. Come back to the tail, all the way back here, and we'll just kind of trace along a line, just where, following kind of in line with the base. And then we'll come to the front here, and then end it around there, because that's where the leg is. And then, I might actually just curve this up a little bit more there, for the leg. There we go. So, then what we can do with this section, we draw little lines down there like this. And so that's kind of his scaly belly tail sort of area underneath. So just go in, do a bunch of lines like this. There we go. Alright, we're so nearly ready for colouring. One more thing to do first. Let's make him look a little more realistic, a little bit better. We're going to do little circles all along here. I'm going to speed this part up, but just remember to pause it afterwards so you can go your own speed. So, outline's all done. What's missing? Colouring, of course. So, let's go in and colour. So, grab your textures or pencils or anything you need. I'll just be using textures for today, but you can use whichever ones you want to colour in. Also, I'll speed this part up, but remember to pause it whenever you need. We did it, guys. We finished drawing our crocodile. Great job, fellas. Thanks for drawing with me today. It was a lot of fun. Now, guys, remember, you can add more, like a heel, or you can put things around him if you want. I'm just going to leave mine like this today, but if you want to put anything more on, it's always good to add more if you want to. Well, thanks for drawing today with the crocodile with me, guys. Hope you had a lot of fun. Snap, snap. It was a lot of fun. I found it fun. I will see you in the next video. Bye.